All right, guys, so this is an extension of the video that I posted yesterday unboxing these Klein heavy-duty diagonal cutters. They got wet on me and dried out, and they got a little rusted, so sorry about the blemishes here, but I just wanted to show you the absolute size of these things. Like when I put that MC cable in there, I've got almost double that amount of room left. And when you go to cut this MC cable with these cutters, you take your first bite and then you slide them down. Like, I've obviously got one hand holding the camera, the other hand just pops right through there. So these things are really heavy duty. So if you're looking for a strong, long-lasting set of diagonal cutters, here's you some Klein tools. And this has got the biggest cutting blade I've ever seen on a pair of diagonal cutters. So hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Like I say, sorry about the rust. They got wet on me and I didn't know it. But yeah, there's another great tool from Klein Tools. Really appreciate them. They're trying their best for us out here in the field. So y'all show them some love. I'll put a link in the description where you can get these. And y'all have a great day. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for all our future videos. And hey, if you like this kind of content and you got any friends that like it, be sure to share it. You know, send it over to them. Let them check out our channel. They might find something useful. And for any of you DIY people out there, if you've got any questions about anything electrical, feel free to ask. I'll try to make you a video to explain whatever you've got going on. So y'all have a great day.